system and e-code services. In short, it's known as CIS. The subject is familiar to us. We have started CIS offline for 3 months in our district council board, where 300
Hakasing thọ diung jong katayo ka arpo khandai trik uyayong arhajar arpo ar ka computer committee jong ka Meghalaya High Court ringkat ka jing Pyntreikam ka Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority klaploy ka jing ai jing hikai halor ka case information system services hat tepep pali jowai blapen ya da ka Jantia Hills Autonomous District Court jowai hakajing dalang u Justice HS thank you Judge Meghalaya High Court u Justice W Dingdo Judge Meghalaya High Court Shillong ki muktiar bat kiwe Kanika case information system kalong bat Pynsuk ikarukom Pyntreikam kat kum kajingyat kapor hakabaan laban pet online ka jinglong jingman ki mukoduma bat ban pet ikirai ki hukum hakabayaday bat ki mukoduma katarik ban syong bishar bat kiwe kibakran hakanika sngi kilong kakong weekend dia additional judge additional district council court u Justice HS thank you the Pira Sotin Secretary District Legal Services Authority and Central Project Coordinator balayo Iaki kintin ay kublay na ka SA Chalam Magistrate First Class ka District Council Code Jowai
are functioning under a different regime in the sense that they created under 6th schedule. It's only for tribals and under paragraphs 4 and 5 the courts constituted. And these courts, you don't come to the supervision of the High Court, except that appeals go there or under Article 235 if such situation warrants. And so they're functioning, you can say, on its own, very autonomous. And so in this way, they were outside the ambit of the whatever developments were there. Now you see in the last 2 years after this pandemic happened, digitization, computerization, using virtual court, everything's advanced at a rapid pace. And even the normal courts, other courts, they also have to adapt. Now, we were thinking that why should the fruits of this digitization, computerization be kept away from the litigants and from the lawyers and from the district council courts? Because this helps to increase efficiency, it helps us to give us information. It helps that a lawyer knows. You see, when the resource person, Mr. Tapira shows you, that if you have this thing, you wouldn't need to have a diary anymore. Because there are provisions there, in the program, in the itself, the CIS, where you can have your digital diary. And now we all have these phones. Everybody uses a smartphone. So smartphone goes well in step with this kind of advancement we have in the judicial administration. So, CIS, virtual courts, then even if you talk about e-courts, and my main, the wish is that once we have this platform, that we should use it to the fullest, and the lawyers will know which orders are uploaded, when is the case coming up next. And the judges will help them also, that the staff's work will decrease. Now when you go to a court, you don't need to go to the Peshkar to find out when's the next date, or take out the records. Now with CIS, you have it in your hand.
System and e-code services. In short, it's known as CIS. The subject is familiar to us. We have started CIS offline for 3 months in our district council board, where 333 cases have been registered, and this is initiated by the NLC.